Chart 7.2, second team member will create a line chart for the quick ratio. We're going to put it to the right of the current ratio chart. We're going to name it quick ratio. We're going to put the legend on the right. We're going to color the best minimum line black dotted. And so what we're talking about is this one right here from column M to R and from 1 to 18-ish. And there's the little dotted black line for the best minimum of 1. And the legend's on the right. That's what we're going to do. So the shortcuts we're going to use is we're going to go Control G to get to our cell, to the data that we want, and then Control A to select all the contiguous data, all the quick ratio data. We're going to go Alt F1 to create a chart, which initially is a bar chart, but we're going to convert that into a line chart, and converting and all the adjustments are Alt JC that we'll do as much as we can, although a spoiler alert, there's going to be a couple places where we're going to use the mouse, sometimes out of extreme inefficiency and sometimes out of bugs in Excel Online. So we're going to move the chart with the arrows, and we're going to resize the chart with a shift arrow. So shift Alt Tab back to our data and Control G, and we're going to go to A10, enter, and Control A, and notice how it only selects quick ratio data. All the cells that are connected that have data in them, it stops at line 17 because line 18 is blank. And then Alt F1, that makes the chart. And because other people are building charts at the same time, we should move ours, and you can either move it really slowly with the arrows like I'm doing right now, or let's just drag it in place. I'm going to put it about in the middle. I'm going to go over to between M and R, and down here in the middle a little bit, and then shift to the left to bring it about the size we want, and up, shift up to be about the size we want this way. And that kind of approximates it, but I'm just going to use the mouse to get it exact. So M, R, and from line 1 down to, that's about the right size actually. Let me just get it exact. There we go. Okay, and while we're still selected on the chart, we're going to go Alt JC, and let's start on the left. The first one, switch rows and columns, W, and that because the individual companies are the variables, not the x-axis. Now I'm going to select the data to get the right data, Alt JCE. And the horizontal data is actually going to be what's in quick ratio, and we're going to get rid of the now B10 to F10. It used to say quick ratio here, and it converts it to B10 F10 once I use that. I'm going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to go back to Alt JC and M for the type. That I'm going to use a line chart. And then I'm going to go Alt JC for AC for the chart title, and E for edit, and Shift Tab to get up to where we're actually putting the tab, and it's quick ratio, enter. And then Alt JC, I'm not going to worry about axis titles, but the legend AL I'm going to put for R for the right. And then I'm going to get, here's my data, the best, or what's it called again? The best minimum. That's what it is. Best minimum data. And I'm going to go to Format and change it from outline, the brown outline, to black. And click again on outline, scroll down to the bottom, dashes and dots. There we go. I've done my chart.